You want to become a power healer? Well, this is lesson number 13. How to know when you're getting a divine message. Hi, my name is Jason Stepina, and I'm a healer and a teacher with over 20 years of experience here to make you a powerful healer. So how do you know when you're getting a divine message? I'm sure you've heard of psychics and healers and others talking about how they get an intuitive hit or they're getting a message from spirit. And what does that mean exactly? And what's the difference between that and the mind? Well, the mind is actually linear. The mind is linear. It'll jump from thought to thought to thought to thought. It'll be like, oh, I wonder if I paid my electric bill. And then be like, oh, I wonder what my bank account is. Oh, I wonder, I should probably go to the bank. Oh, actually, when I go to the bank, I should go to the grocery store. The mind will jump from thought to thought to thought in a linear fashion. But with a message or an intuitive hit, you're actually receiving the message kind of out of nowhere. So if you get a thought like completely out of nowhere, it's not connected to the thoughts at all, that's when you're getting an intuitive hit. That's when you're getting a message from spirit. So if you're getting a hit saying like you're thinking of a friend out of nowhere, like, whoa, I'm really thinking about this friend out of nowhere, give them a call. They might be thinking of you. They'd be like, oh my gosh, I was just thinking of you. So when you get those magic messages that just come into your head top, just come out of nowhere, listen to those messages, trust those messages because they're powerful messages.